Video, I'm going to show you how to use the store reports feature. So in order to access the reports section, you navigate to the store management section and select reports. So in the reports page, you can see that we have about 4 types of reports. The first one is the sales reports, the product related reports, customers related reports, and marketing related reports. So in the sales related reports, we can generate and track other related reports, tax related reports, and shipping returns. This is for product returns. And then coupon, discount coupons. So for example, if we open the others option, so you can see that here we can show the number of orders that has been generated in the store. Using the filter option here, we can filter it by dates, can group it by weeks or years or months. We can also filter it by other status. So we can also filter by store if we have set up more than one store, but currently we just have one store here. So here is the information. See the number of orders for today, number of products, and then the total revenue is the amount from sales. So we can also export this report to an Excel sheet using this button. So clicking this will generate an Excel file. Let's go ahead and click it, as you can see here. So once I save this, I'll be able to access this report in Excel program. So but I will not do that, so I cancel this. So let's go back. Let's say we want to view product related reports. We select this option. Here you see we can view the most viewed product. That's the most viewed product by customers. The most purchased product, we can also view it here. So let's open this. So here, this is a list of products that have been viewed by store visitors. So it appears product 2 gets the most view of 41.22%. So this will give us an idea on the interest of our potential customers. We can also filter this report using this option by store. So currently we have just one store. That's why it's just showing this option. So we can also export this to Excel using this option. So clicking this will open the Excel file download menu. So I'll close this. So let's go back. So let's say we want to view our customers' activities and other reports concerning our customers. We select this option. So here you can see that we can track the online status of our store visitors. So we know those that are currently on the store. We can also track the activities of our customers who have created an account in the store, and also customer orders. You can view it here, reward points and store credits. So let's go ahead and select the first one. So for the online store option, so the online status shows us the list of customers and visitors that are currently on the store, as you can see here. So we can filter this by IP address and customer name. and also generate an Excel file using this button. So let's go back. So for the marketing option, here we can view our affiliate activities and marketing campaign report. So we select it. Currently, we have no affiliates in the store, so this will show us no results. We select it. As you can see, there is no result here. For the marketing campaign too, we currently don't have any campaigns. So if we open this, you see that there is no result here. But once we generate a marketing campaign, this will be where we can track the performance of the marketing campaign. So we can filter it using all these options. Let's go back. So in this example, I've shown you how to use the store reports section and how to filter and generate Excel sheets for the store reports. Thank you for watching.